Hello, welcome to the demo of Malware Discoverer. Whether you are a hosting provider, a social media platform, or any enterprise with lots of user-generated content, chances are hackers are using your system to host or transmit malicious URLs. How can you proactively find those URLs before they affect the end users? Here is what our platform can do. So as an end user, which are likely to be analysts in your security team, you can submit a high number of URLs or domains for our system to scan. Our crawler will visit each site and use machine learning algorithms to identify different risk factors. For example, here we're scanning this domain called 5day.info, which, if we look at the risk reason, are redirecting to other sites. And why are we scanning this website multiple times? Actually, our crawler can emulate real user behavior and can visit the website from different devices and geolocations. And if we look at the detail of redirection chain, we see that depending on where the client comes from, depending on the country and the device, Safari, Android, iPhone, the website returns different payloads, and the final behavior is also different. This is actually very helpful for analysts to pinpoint where the risk actually comes from. And what is more powerful is that after visiting a website multiple times from different vantage points, the security team can use our visualization tool to understand the whole context in a holistic graph. For example, here we're showing all the redirection traffic that pass through domain tubesync.com. And analysts can hover over different intermediate domains and look at screenshots of final landing sites. And they can also choose any of the intermediate sites and pivot the visualization to check all the traffic that goes through that particular site. So for example, here we're pivoting to another domain, which is definitely very suspicious because all the redirection goes to a site that hosts something like malware page. And we're also providing the same information in a table format for team to quickly sort and pick domains they're interested in. And they can also search for domains that are related to their organization. And finally, for teams that don't want to have another user interface, they can just call our API and get the same data programmatically. For example, they can first submit the domain from our API. They can get the submission status, and to know more context of the domain, they can call the domain history API, where we provide very rich history of previous traffic from that domain. All in all, we are already pilot testing the product with a few enterprises, and we hope that you can try our system one day. Thank you.